Hi there, welcome to Geekyiyer. My name is Ranganathan. So you're watching the Realme 3 Pro review. So this unit was bought from Flipkart, and as you know, there is a flash sale which is happening. So this is a purple/black unit, which is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage unit. So without any further ado, let's unbox this and show you guys what's in the box. So the packaging is pretty neat, simple. So once you open the box, you have a small pamphlet which has the SIM ejector tool as well as the case, which is given free. So that, as you can see, this is a TPU case which is lightweight and flexible. As you can see, this is nice that mobile manufacturers are giving this. And what we have next, we have a quick guide. So most probably you know about the phones, if you want you can refer to them. And we have another pamphlet which says important information guide. So again, if you want to know something, you can go through those. And what else is on the box? So that's the device itself. So as you can see, it looks beautiful. It's made of plastic, and that's the camera ring there. You can see the flash, the Realme branding, and that's the old USB type, and that's the SIM ejector and SIM tray, and that's the volume rockers, and that's the front camera. And the back camera, yes, there are two cameras and one is flash. And as you can see, it looks beautiful, guys. The purple and black just blends in and gives another unique look. And we have another back panel kind of thing. We don't use it anyways. And that's the VOOC charger, guys. That's the fast charger which is given it to us. So you can see that's the speed in which it charges. I think it's a 20 amp charger, so it should charge it pretty quickly. And that's the USB cable which it comes with. So that's USB type, the normal USB type, guys. There's no USB type C, so that's a sad thing, but still fast charging is there. And going back to the device, as you can see, the build quality is really good and the screen is really good, and the phone is slender, so it's easy to hold in one hand even though I have small hands. And just quickly acknowledging the terms and conditions, whatever it coming in my way. So as you can see, the screen looks good. The notch display is there. That's the trend as of now on most of the phones. So showing the settings toggle for you guys. So it has this small rectangular squares where you can select for each toggle. So that's the nice touch. This is color wise 6, guys. So that's a notification tray. And moving on, just going to the settings to show you guys how the menu looks. So quickly trying to get to the about phone. So about phone, when you go in, it shows the mobile version, what's the OS version which is running. See, out of the box it has 104 GB left, so 24 GB is taken for the OS. That's a huge amount of storage, guys. So if you buy 64 GB variant, you know how much you're losing out. So that's the front camera, right, once again, and that's how the phone looks like. As I told you, it looks really good, feels solid. So I'll quickly show you guys, if I can take a picture of this, quickly show you guys how the camera looks like. So I'll go to the camera app, point it right away, just take a snap. So I'm not going to do anything else, just taking a quick snap, and the photo is taken. So on my first look, the photo has come really good, clarity is really good. And so I can zoom in and see this. As you can see, the clarity is really good. And there are multiple options on the camera that we'll come back to. So as you can see, it's 1x zoom, and that's the mode which is shown there, portrait mode, and nightscape pano export. So all this time lapse, slow motion. So it supports 960 frames per second in 720p, guys. That's the only phone which can do as of now in this price range. So that's really good.